Besides bringing about work efficiency and life convenience to people, modern electric equipment have resulted in harmonic pollution of the power grid, thus making the power quality issues more complicated. For the user equipment and the power distribution network, poor power quality has direct adverse impact on their energy efficiency and service life, even resulting in such consequences as damage to the electric equipment, grid collapse, ever-changing power quality issue, safe and efficient filtering pattern, and a clean and reliable power supply environment are the most concerned topics among users. With its years of R&D and manufacturing experiences in the field of power quality, Delta Electronics has successfully launched a new generation of power quality solutions, which when compared to the conventional capacitance compensation solutions, effectively improves the reliability and the quality indexes of the power distribution system, thus eliminating any hazard arising from power quality issues. Three categories of Delta PQC series products, wall-mounted, modular and unitary active power filters, are sufficient to satisfy demands of various users. Advanced modular design. With a precise modular design, Delta active power filters can provide a cabinet from a third party with embedded mounting or Delta standard cabinet mounting, according to different operating conditions and environment requirements. In addition, it enables flexible configuration and on-site capacity expansion based upon the current and subsequent capacity requirements. It can provide users with maximum flexibility and convenience in system design, on-site installation, or repair and maintenance. Excellent filtering capability. Using the three-level electrical topology and based on its patented technologies and years of experience in electromagnetic design, Delta's active power filter has a switching frequency of up to 60 kHz, which is the top level in the industry, and a harmonic eliminating rate of up to 97.5%. Moreover, it achieves a 100% current output capability for most of the harmonic orders. Excellent environment adaptability. Delta active power filter features wider input voltage and frequency range as well as higher switch frequency characteristics and response speed. The system is equipped with a Class C lightning protection device as standard. In addition, it is China Classification Society certified and passes the Level 9 shock test, owning extremely high resistance to temperature, vibration, and corrosion. Excellent production service capabilities. Delta Electronics Wujiang plant, located in the center of the Yangtze River, covering an area of more than 1,000 acres, is the biggest power quality and electronics production base in China. With numerous affiliates and service networks, Delta Electronics can make a quick response and provide convenient, high-quality services. Excellent product performance and superior solution integration capabilities make Delta's power quality products stand out from the domestic and overseas manufacturers. They are now successfully used in large-scale industrial fields at home and abroad, providing the production environment with better power guarantee. They are also used in IT and communication fields, creating a stable power environment, and also widely used in the infrastructure and building fields, receiving good reputation from customers. Delta Power Quality Solution.